Blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, but I don't know what's a NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, they are tell us, say, why mix up time with NEWLINK and now people? You know this a quarantine time and now people are mix up with NEWLINK. Well, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, people, I have a topic we are going to talk about. And it's where a lady has reached out to NEWLINK. A lady, people, I'm going to tell her now. You understand? And this lady, right now, she hurt and she want to expose this lady who is supposed to be a pastor, but deep inside people, this pastor lady is living a life of a demon, because this pastor lady now, people, as to where the lady I reach out in NEWLINK and say they have a relationship with she. So they are both females, and this relationship was for over 8 years. But in the end, people, she find out that this pastor lady did have another relationship going on for 3 years with who was supposed to be her friend, which is another lady. And she said, no, eventually, in December, them break off, relationship and thing, end off and thing, not now, you know what I mean? They break off and thing. And she said, she did invite a man before they break off to do some work at her house, and this happened over in Florida, the people, you understand, over in West Palm Beach. So she invite a man in her house to do some work. And she said, in February, this man end up get engaged to she, that's the pastor who I know. So right now they're preparing to marry after all of them mix up at one. But before me even gonna further, people, as me tell her, say, this pastor lady from over West Palm Beach, and them say she's a pastor in a Church of God of Christ Church in West Palm Beach, Florida. So now they're gonna play a little thing now where they hear she preach the gospel, and she say she's a pastor. So listen what I go on say now.
When I looked at the word navigate, navigate is to direct, to steer, and to lead. Praise God. And we have a navigator in the house this morning. Praise the name of Jesus. Praise God. But are we following the direction of our navigator? Glory to the name of Jesus. Glory to the name of Jesus. Praise God. See, adversity is misfortune. It's disaster, heartbreaks, tribulations, catastrophes, calamities, tragedies, setbacks, troubles. Do I have a witness that have faced any of these? Distress, misery, affliction, praise God, bad luck, accidents, crisis, torment, burning. Do I have a witness in here that have been through some adversity in their life this morning? Praise God, praise God.
Well, people, that's her there preaching the word of God, and yes, she powerful. Yes, she tell her them certain things can bring you bad luck, disaster, and all type of same thing. My world, my precious NEWLINK, boy, I tell you. Well, people, before say no other, come here, don't say yo, oh NEWLINK, I go say this and you don't see them say this. Well, me I go play some little voice clippings here now with this pastor lady now, and they mix up and bang around thing I go on now when she and her look lover them in and them look this, and before things did nice and good until things go and look further. So you are going now.
You have played me for a fool. You tricked me. You try to make things seem otherwise that they're not. You know, you really deceived me. You know, you're acting like a real bitch. That's what you're acting like. You're acting like a real bitch who have deceived the man out there. That's what you're acting like. And I'm warning you, I'm telling you, I don't care. I'll go public with this shit because I feel betrayed. You understand me? You betrayed me. You betrayed me. And you conned me. You tricked me. I never knew that you would turn out to be somebody like that. You know? You did what you were doing, and then you act as if it's something else, and then you want to baby me and try to polish me to keep me quiet and to keep me down. You know, that's what you're doing. That is what you're doing. You acting like a real con artist. I didn't know you had that mentality. I didn't know you had that in you. But I'm telling you, I deserve to know the truth. I deserve to know the truth. Had you come clean to me and tell me what the deal is, then, you know, out of all fairness, hey, I would understand had you come clean to me, but you have manipulated the situation. You have manipulated the situation. You know, you acting like, oh, it's such, and that's not what it is. You found a man and you finally decide you don't want to do this because you probably can't play both, or, you know, you just don't want to do this anymore. And this just didn't come overnight. You know, you wanted to tell me and you didn't know how to tell me because you were freaking playing all along. You were.
So basically what going on people, you know, she and the lady this, you understand, when they mix up and banger and start, when the man, and in the end she said she play her over 8 years them together, and she said what happened now people, they put us the lady, you know, because demonic something this kind of people, me I tell her real demonic things. So listen what going on.
You play games, but I'm telling you, I'm the last bitch you're gonna play a game with. I'm telling you, I'm the last bitch you're gonna play a game with, because you acting like a bitch, then I'm gonna treat you like a bitch. Trust me, I'm going to treat you like a bitch. So you're gonna come up front to me and tell me what the deal is, you know, why you did what you did. You're not gonna play me and it just go down hush hush like this. I'm telling you, you are not going to like.
Boy, I be hurt I go on as a people. Be hurt. So I'm going to show you some gritty thing what go on at this thing and how people. See, as me I telling you, you know, this lady is a pastor. Relationship I go on with she and this. Boy, appear mix up. Appear. But in the end, you know, people, you hear NEWLINK as I say now. Boy, it's sticky, it's tough. You know what I mean? In every different corner and creases that can take it. You know what I mean? Every way you think of. But only Jah can come forward and tell NEWLINK, say, you are going now. Zane, this is not a demonic thing. Only Jah can come right now and tell me. So, I'm going to play some local something right now and make you know go on.
I miss you. I was thinking about.
That's how when relationship with good with the woman, you know. You understand? So this is the other woman side woman now. Because I tell her saying that the 8 years woman, the long time one, you know, exposing this in you know, people, you know what I mean? So this is when the thing did go on, you know what I mean, when she find out what go on and get voice message and thing with she and the other woman.
You, and I want you to know that even when you do not talk to me, or even if we're not conversing for any reason at all, I am thinking about you. I told you the other day that you live in my head, so I talk you, I breathe you, I eat you,
Jesus.
I live you. Yes. You are the center of my world, and every minute of the day I'm thinking about you, unless my mind is super occupied. I'm thinking about you, baby. I love you. Love you.
Why, Pastor, go on with that bag of things, NEWLINK. Attack them! You want to go on again?
Hey, sweetie. I got your message. I want you to know that I love you, and I've had no regrets.
Pastor, you mix up here, man.
Even the way I feel about you. And you are special to me. You are very special to me. Okay? I'm trying to get ready right now. I love you. All the words could ever say.
Why? Pastor, so
Good morning, honey. I know that you're probably in church.
in church.
Yeah, thinking about you. On my way to work.
And at the end of people, I'm going to show you what I go on now. See, all of these, you know, are church people, I mean, this, you know what I mean? So, the 8 years, church lady too, and the 3 years, big one in a church too, top one in a church too, you know what I mean? And boy, the pastor steam out them up. Why, man?
Pray for me. Okay, love you. Let's talk soon. Bye.
I know, Jaja. So, you are going on, people.
Oh, you're just going to read my message and don't respond.
Pastor jealousy NEWLINK.
Hello there. I've been calling you.
Why too much?
How dare you talk about envy?
So now people, we are going to play now the last message we are going to play now, Zine. And this is when things gone down to the wire now, to the fullest now with pastor and this and that now, people and argument starts. So I play a little clip now, the last clip now, on the year and then we go back to this pastor and then NEWLINK will attack the situation. Because now NEWLINK will attack the situation, NEWLINK will chop the attack, ball of fire with the attack, so yeah, go on now.
Jealousy. Who's envious? Who's jealous? Jealous of what?
This is the pastor.
What does Pamela have for me to jealous of her? What does she have for me to be jealous of her? What? How dare you? Envy and jealousy? Are you serious? Envy? Envy? You should know better than that. You should know better than that. This is ridiculous. Envy and jealousy. I'm envy and jealous of Pamela. Like, seriously, for what? For what? I do not want her house. I don't want her house. Okay? I do not want her house. The thing is, Pamela needs to sit her ass down and stop going up to and fro the world like a roaring beast.
I'm telling you people, this is the pastor, the top Jamaican, lazy something they over in West Palm Beach in Florida. You understand? And like them corruption and need to stop with them pastor who are preaching in front of people. Not joke thing NEWLINK, attack them. Listen out.
Trying to destroy me and at the same time telling me to come sign papers. Okay? She needs to sit her ass still and go pray. Okay? Because she's roaring around the earth seeking whom he may devour. Seeking whom she may devour. Back and forth, to and fro, around. For what? For what? We would have done this a long time ago. But the bully thing is not gonna work. The bully thing is not gonna work. And when you're coming to me, if you're gonna come to me, just come to me good. Just come to me good. Don't come tell me that I'm jealous and I'm envious of Pam and what she have. Don't come to me like that.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, as me are telling the boy, I will mix up a whole heap of other notes to do the people, and honestly, some of them boy toward the pastor go and body that them people, me never can play them, I couldn't hear, but me I'm gonna telling these people, Zine, a lot of time we in a church, and the people who are preaching in front, we look up to them and things, say yes, them are with the message people, but them are demon in the closet, you know what I mean? And anytime you will get things like them, have to put out there for people know, it have to go out there, you know what I mean? Because I'm sick and tired of seeing how people take the congregation in the church a fool, because you know she's the one up there preaching talk much destruction can reach people, you know, and that's why John now smile with the earth right now, you know, people, you know what I mean? And I have pictures, so much pictures with for sure the relationship, but you see because of certain things people we now have to put pictures out there, we even not talk name out there, but we're going to think me and tell you this, you know what I mean? This woman over there at the church, I got that church in West Palm Beach or Florida, this Jamaican woman, such an evangelist, whatever, pastor, whatever, you understand? She needs to stop and news reach NEWLINK to people. Her mother is a top pastor too in the US. You know what I mean? Them bag of nastiness and if you cut out on in a church on a day, a attack for you, attack on it, it's not right. And that's why so much destruction there on earth right now. That's why you see this COVID-19 thing come and a wipe and a swipe through. And the corruption we are going. God now smile with the earth now. You know what I mean? Because when I look at him and look around there and come and fake profit, you know, and come and collect people offering money and people tithes, you know, and I go live this big and baggage lavish life, you know, and deep inside there I live one dirty lifestyle, you know. I choose a woman and a swipe at that boy and eat and I eat this and I eat that and I eat that. What eat that eat, you're supposed to full of too much and full all the years jump them. You need to stop. You can't be the leader and I do your corruption and I tell people to do the right thing. How can you lead in a congregation and I tell people to do the right thing when you are doing the wrong thing? Why me I tell people? Now them say, she need this man, so boom. December come work at the house and come so boom. February engage, boom. Wedding come, I come down the line now. If I need COVID-19, I say we need a pop a long time and gone already. For what reason? 1 month, 2 months, and boom. At the end something I go on people I like and tell a boy them. Whoa, why all you for trust NEWLINK? Who can reach us, viewers and subscribers? Tell NEWLINK, who can reach us? If we can't trust the pastor, we can't touch the teacher, we can't trust the doctor, who can reach us? See that people, I'm sure me trust. This is what I trust. I sit, I read it on a daily basis. Not every day still NEWLINK, but I believe in the words in this. You understand? And this is what lead me. Whenever me find time people, I'm ready to go get me deep in the water. I go link one of the pastor, one of them poor one. I don't want a rich pastor, want a big car a drive, and a big church. I build one, I want a poor. More of a car down the river, this and go deep me and baptize and see that. Look up to the Almighty. But some of them people are people who walk and tell people this and that, man. NEWLINK I go putting out there because it's wrong and it's a dirty lifestyle and I'm supporting it. Straight attack. All of the past them, no time are coming up. Because NEWLINK I go get them one by one. NEWLINK I expose them one by one. What we say I do? Attack them and expose them one by one. So you don't know anything of people see that at the NEWLINK brand, see the NEWLINK production t-shirt. Big up look on it, NEWLINK production. Got some new one that come to. So you don't know people. Check them out by Teespring. We have the NEWLINK t-shirt, them below the video, the link below the video, and you can get the NEWLINK t-shirt, them NEWLINK, you know what I mean, at the body thing. We have the tights too. And we have only more things that come to people, the hoodie them, so you can check it out and support the thing. And we have a PayPal link below the video too, so you know I contribute something to NEWLINK. And we have the fans them, you know I contribute something. Because when I do the cash app thing, people, a scam thing them there, when I do the scam thing. PayPal link, NEWLINK. If you don't want to link up and give NEWLINK something, do it. You know what I mean? Because NEWLINK is here to stay, not to go. So don't know people, we expose them on. You say what? Expose them on NEWLINK? Peace out. Respect. Remember, follow NEWLINK on Facebook, NEWLINK Production. Follow us on Instagram, NEWLINK_production official. Twitter, NEWLINK Production. TikTok, we don't deal with that something. They can't even do something. Peace out. Respect.